Hello.
Hi, I'm
Sorry.
Michelle.
I'm Nat. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Wish we were meeting under
I
different
know, right?
circumstances.
I'll get you taken care of pretty quick, though. Actually, yeah, no problem. I'll get you taken care of. I'm checking your spare. The spares are usually low because we don't use them very often, right?
I've
So,
never used it.
yeah, so heat and cold expands and contracts, and the air escapes, and you wind up trying to change your own tire, and it winds up being, you're changing it with a flat spare. So,
Right.
yeah. Definitely looks like you hit a curb or something. Oh yeah, you definitely. I like it. The whole side wall of the tire is ripped here. Yeah, so it's got a nice rip in here. You hit something for sure. But anyway, you're going. You got a warranty on it, so that's awesome.
Yeah, they can't give me
Oh really? All right. Well, this will last you for certain till then. Your spare was flat too. It only had like 5 pounds of air in it. So, yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna put on the spare now, and you'll be done in just about a minute. All right.
Thank you so much.
All right.
You're
You're welcome.
wonderful.
You're
Have a
welcome.
great day.
You as well. You as well. You have a blessed day. Low because but that actually has more air than the others. So these are at like 35, right? 40, something like that. And okay, so that's way too high. Do you mind if I look on the inside of your door?
Absolutely.
Um,
I don't mess with the inside
no,
of the
no,
door,
you're fine.
so
So,
I don't mess with the tire pressure, so
so it says here that your front and your back are supposed to be at 33 pounds, right? So here's what happens when they're overinflated. Not to condescend or anything like that, but it's important that you know. So when you overinflate your tires, just imagine a balloon. So it starts to bulge in the middle, right? So you wind up getting premature wear in the middle of the tire, and the edge of the tire looks fine, but you wind up with a blown tire and you don't realize why. So you always want to make sure that they're inflated
I
to.
just need to inflate.
We just need to take out some air. If you'd like, I can do it now, or you can wait till tomorrow. It's up to you.
Actually, if you can do it for me before I
It'll
get
take me a couple of seconds, yeah.
okay, that would be wonderful.
All right, yep, no problem. So for even tire wear, you really want to keep it at. Now, keep in mind, I did it at 33 and a half, right?
Right.
When you drive, your tires heat up.
Right.
The air inside heats up and it'll expand. It may get up to 35, 36. Don't stress over that. Then in the morning when you look at it, when the car is cold and it hasn't been driven anywhere, it may say 32. That's okay too, right? Anywhere in that range of 33 is okay, but you were at like 47, 49
Yeah.
pounds. That's crazy. You should never be that high. I know you didn't do it, but you should definitely, after you get the tire check that screen to make sure that they didn't inflate it to like 50 pounds or something like that. Okay?
Thank you so so much.
You're
Have a
welcome.
wonderful day.
All right, you as well. Take care.